Hello, I hope you're all doing good. Today we're gonna unbox this coin that I bought from a local coin dealer. Bought a few coins recently and it is one of them. See what it is. Right. Okay. This is the coin of Nero that I bought. It's an ancient Roman bronze coin from 54 to 68 AD. Very nice looking coin. It's an old one. King Nero or Emperor Nero. It's a 20 millimeter in diameter and yeah, made of bronze. See Nero with a Laureate head on the right, and then this one is Cultus-statue of Artemis facing the right. Nice old coin from 54 to 68 AD. Great. See you next time. Thank you.